Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices, ladies and gentlemen, we need to talk. We need to talk about Bitcoin because what is unfolding right now in the charts, it's really worth making a video about right now. I want to go straight into it, not only talk about my trades. No, I want to talk about what happened a few hours ago and how is this extremely important to understand what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the immediate short term, within the next few days, in fact. I want to talk about one pattern evolving no one is talking about right now, which tells us exactly what we can expect right now for Bitcoin. So let's go straight into it. And yes, I will talk about the charts, I will talk about my trades and everything. Of course, a quick update about my trade. Bitcoin at around 110,000 at the time of recording. My trade at round about $10 million in unrealized profits, $16 million in realized profits. However, there is one thing which has to happen, and if it happens, I will take more profits. I took already almost 70%. Bitcoin is barely hanging on, and the line here, this support, is what I want to call the line in the sand. Overall, what you are looking at here is an ascending triangle. Yes, an ascending triangle is technically something bullish, breaking to the upside more often than breaking to the downside. Also, we are forming it among the top. However, this is forming in a downwards movement. So, whereas usually this is like a 2/3, 70% to 30% break up probability, here I would rather lean towards 50-50. So the best course of action is I will talk about price targets to lean back and let the chart tell you what to do. So let me tell you right now what we will do if A happens, what we will do if B happens. This is support. If we are breaking a 4-hourly candle, that's enough, below 109,300 and closing the 4-hourly candle below that, down we go. Easy as that. The resistance is exactly to the US dollar amount at 115,500 US dollars. On the flip side, if we are breaking a 4-hourly candle above the horizontal resistance, closing above volume support, confirmation of the break, we will break up. And I will tell you the exact price targets in the bearish scenario, in the bullish scenario. This is what a trader does. You prepare accordingly and then you react to the market. You not try to predict like a genie. This is not how it's working. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to be prepared for both scenario and profit either way. In my case, either by taking profits or by scaling up my trade. So let's go into it. I want to talk about the price target. By the way, guys, I made a video on my health channel before I talk about the price targets about olive oil today. How it's like almost all olive oil you're buying is basically poison. I am telling you in less than 5 minutes exactly the benefits, the dangers, and how to get the best quality olive oil. I give you an easy checklist by walking on the beach, easily explaining it to you in an entertaining manner. Link is down below in the pinned comment, in the video description. The channel is Health. I'll leave you the link. It's on YouTube. Click, watch it, subscribe, it's free. Guys, I'm always telling you, health is wealth. How do you want to achieve wealth without health? How do you think I'm achieving wealth without waking up with the energy you can see here in the camera? It's about diet, it's about lifestyle, it's about your sleep, it's about happiness, social connections and everything. This is my mission. I want to teach it to you guys as much as I can from a humble standpoint. I'm learning every single day as well. Of course, there's many of you guys who can teach me something, but there is a lot of research going into these videos, and I packed a lot of research into the video today. So make sure you watch the olive oil video, which is extremely important because it can either be a lifesaver or a threatener. Link in the pinned comment. Let's talk about the price targets. What you can see here, this ascending triangle, which is going to break. Let me tell you now exactly, latest in the middle of November, the absolute latest point of time where we will decide bull market over or bull market continuation is in mid of November, the absolute latest. The further we go into this apex, the more volatile the breakout will be. So price target to the upside 130,000, new price level, new all-time high. If we are breaking to the upside, if we are breaking to the downside, it could be basically bear market continuation, bear market confirmation. No matter, like, it depends on where we break down. If we break down very soon, it will be rather like 97, 98,000, really the last line in the sand before bear market. If we break down later, it would be 100,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. Really depends on the breakout timing. Also, the earlier we break down, the more likely this is to be a false flag. The later we break down or up, the more likely it is to be a legitimate break to the upside or downside. Let me know what you think about that. Dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button, go over to my health channel, watch it, subscribe. This is going to be a big one, guys. My plan is to be the biggest health channel in the world, and I want to teach you with daily videos, maybe 2 days videos a day, who knows. So far it's one video every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.